Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2025. These models offer next-level cleaning, advanced navigation, powerful suction, and fully automated maintenance systems. If you're planning to upgrade your smart home cleaning routine, this list will help you choose the right one. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. DREAME X40 Ultra, most advanced all-in-one system. The DREAME X40 Ultra is one of the most advanced robot vacuums available in 2025. It features a powerful 12,000 Pascal suction system, a removable and liftable mop, and an intelligent side brush for edge-to-edge cleaning. Its standout feature is the 158-degree Fahrenheit mop and washboard self-cleaning system, allowing the robot to sanitize and maintain the mop pads without manual work. The auto-empty and auto-refill functions make the entire cleaning experience fully hands-free. Pros: exceptionally powerful 12,000 Pascal suction, heated mop cleaning for better hygiene, liftable mop prevents carpet soaking, fully automated dock with self-refill and self-clean. Cons: premium price, dock requires a bit of space. If you want a robot that does almost everything without intervention, the DREAME X40 Ultra is one of the best all-around options in 2025. Number 2. Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, best self-maintenance system. The Shark NeverTouch Pro is a strong competitor with a powerful vacuum and mop combo. It offers an impressive 60-day self-emptying system and a 30-day auto-refill tank. Shark's Power Detect technology automatically adjusts suction based on floor type for optimal results. What makes this model special is its self-cleaning pad wash and dry system, which maintains the mop pads after every session. Pros: excellent hands-free maintenance, smart suction adjustment, strong reliability and navigation, great for pet owners. Cons: suction isn't as high as DREAME models. Station is slightly noisy during cleaning. For those who want maximum convenience without the premium price tag, Shark's Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is an outstanding choice. Number 3. DREAME Matrix 10 Ultra, most powerful suction. With an astonishing 30,000 pascals of suction power, the DREAME Matrix 10 Ultra is built for deep cleaning performance. It features multi-mop switching, a 3.14-inch obstacle climbing system, and advanced 240-plus object avoidance sensors. This model also includes a full self-empty and self-refill docking system, as well as a 100% hair detangling brush for households with pets. Pros: the most powerful section in its class, excellent obstacle avoidance, multi-mop system for different surfaces, great for deep carpet cleaning. Cons: higher price range, extra power may be unnecessary for lighter cleaning needs. If you want the absolute strongest performance in a robot vacuum, the Matrix 10 Ultra stands above the competition in raw power. Number 4. ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 Omni, best smart navigation. The DEEBOT T80 Omni features an impressive 18,000 Pascal suction system paired with ECOVACS's advanced AI navigation. The Osmo roller mop with True Edge technology ensures thorough corner cleaning while protecting delicate surfaces. Its Zero Tangle brush is engineered to minimize hair wrapping, making it an excellent choice for homes with pets. Pros: excellent AI-powered navigation, strong suction with versatile mopping, Zero Tangle brush reduces maintenance, smart obstacle recognition. Cons: higher price than older models. Mop drying could be faster. The DEEBOT T80 Omni is perfect for users who prioritize high-precision navigation and advanced cleaning patterns. Number 5. DREAME X50 Ultra Complete, best corner and edge cleaning. The DREAME X50 Ultra Complete delivers 20,000 Pascal suction, an upgraded obstacle avoidance system, and 360-degree navigation. It's designed for deep corner and edge cleaning with its improved brush system and mop technology. The auto-empty and mop self-cleaning station ensures consistent performance without frequent manual upkeep. Pros: strong 20,000 Pascal suction, excellent corner-to-edge coverage, advanced detangling brush, reliable mapping and navigation. Cons: slightly bulkier than the X40, on the pricier side. A perfect choice if you need superior edge and corner cleaning performance with strong suction power. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more product reviews and buying guides. All product links are in the description below. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.